And good luck, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Bow Ties and Charm, pair on the outside, and on the inside is Kukurukuku Paloma, and Pays to Be Smart and Asian Beauty. It's still pair in the lead, followed by Bow Ties and Charms on the outside, Kukurukuku Paloma on the inside, running in fourth, Pays to Be Smart and Asian Beauty. And at the mid-back stretch, it's still pair in the lead, followed by Kukurukuku Paloma on the inside, Bow Ties and Charm, Pays to Be Smart, and Asian Beauty. Rounding the fat turn, it's Kukurukuku Paloma on the inside, pair on the outside, and running in third is Bow Ties and Charm by 3.5 lengths, Asian Beauty moving up on the inside, and Pays to Be Smart on the farther outside. And into the home stretch, pair on the outside. It's still pair on the outside. Kukurukuku Paloma by the rail, Asian Beauty, Bow Ties and Charm, and Pays to Be Smart. But it's still pair in the lead, followed by Kukurukuku Paloma. And finally, at the payoff line is going to be pair, Kukurukuku Paloma, Bow Ties and Charm, Pays to Be Smart, Asian Beauty, and